Welcome to TrueHost Academy. In today's video, we're discussing a crucial aspect of digital marketing, how to collect emails for email marketing. Building an email list is essential for any business looking to grow. It helps you connect directly with your customers, allowing you to send updates, offers, and valuable content. Let's explore some effective strategies to collect those all-important emails. First, let's talk about opt-in pop-ups. These are pop-ups that encourage visitors to subscribe to your email list. There are different types of pop-ups you can use. Exit intent pop-ups. These appear when a visitor is about to leave your website. Timed pop-ups. These show up after a visitor has spent a certain amount of time on your site. Scroll-triggered pop-ups. These appear when a visitor scrolls down a specific percentage of your web page. Make your pop-ups eye-catching but not intrusive. Use clear and concise language to explain the benefit of subscribing and offer an incentive like a discount or a free resource. Tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Opt-in Monster can help you create effective pop-ups that match your brand style. Next, consider embedding sign-up forms directly on your website. Place them where visitors can easily find them, like on your homepage or at the end of blog posts. Ensure your forms are visible without being intrusive. Keep the form simple. Ask for just the name and email address to avoid overwhelming potential subscribers. Use clear and inviting language on your forms, and make sure they're mobile-friendly. Clearly state what subscribers will receive and how often. Action-oriented words like subscribe or join us can prompt visitors to sign up. On-site notifications like bars and slide-ins are also great tools. These small messages capture visitors' attention without being too intrusive. Offer discounts, updates, or valuable content in exchange for email signups. Craft messages that clearly state the benefit of signing up. Keep it concise and persuasive. Display notifications at strategic times, like when visitors are about to leave your site or after they've engaged with certain content. Personalized landing pages can also boost your email collection efforts. Create targeted landing pages for different audience segments. Test different elements like headlines, images, and call to action buttons to see what works best. Make sure your landing pages are easy to navigate and understand. Another effective strategy is offering something valuable, like a free product demo or a useful guide, in exchange for email addresses. Set up an automated demo request process and follow up with participants promptly to keep them engaged. Lead magnets like ebooks or checklists are great for attracting potential customers. Ensure your lead magnet provides useful information or solves a problem for your target audience. Promptly deliver the lead magnet to maintain a positive impression. Consider running product giveaways. Plan your campaign carefully and promote it across your social media channels. Use eye-catching posts to encourage participation and make sure your giveaway complies with legal regulations. Interactive quizzes can also engage your audience. Create quizzes relevant to your products or services and offer valuable results in exchange for email signups. Tools like Typeform or SurveyMonkey can help you design engaging quizzes. Don't forget to leverage your social media platforms. Share compelling content that prompts people to join your email list. Invest in social media ads that target your ideal audience and include a clear call to action. Finally, incentivize your current subscribers to refer others. Offer rewards or discounts for successful referrals. Make the referral process simple and straightforward, and promptly reward those who bring in new signups. Collecting emails for email marketing is vital for building relationships with your customers. By combining these strategies, you can grow your email list and enhance your marketing efforts. Remember, continuous testing and improvement are key to keeping your audience engaged. Thanks for watching TrueHost Academy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable marketing tips. See you next time.